Presenting a pre-owned 2009 GMC Yukon Denali all-wheel drive. This four-door SUV has an 8-cylinder, 6.2-liter V8 engine, with all-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This GMC has less than 126,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 12 miles per gallon in the city, and 19 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition, has glossy original paint, has no scratches, dents, or rust, and has been fully detailed. It has only had one owner, has never been smoked in, and has had all scheduled maintenance completed. Key features include DVD player, sunroof, Sirius satellite radio, anti-lock brakes, power steering, power windows, universal remote, leather seats, power door locks, stability control, traction control, OnStar, and Bluetooth.